And welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm riding the King Bull Hunter 2.0. As you see it right there, it's a class 3 e-bike and does have a throttle right there. It's a 1/3 twist throttle. So let's hop on and talk a little about this ride, because this is going to be a throttle ride. Have you ever wondered what it's like to just throttle an e-bike and not pedal it? This bike I normally pedal, but on this video I want to do just throttling, just to show you what it's like to throttle an e-bike. I'm going to crank it up to pedal assist 3, so that'll get us up around 20 miles an hour. So don't let all the Karens out there tell you different. If you want to ride your bike with throttle only, go right ahead. That's what this video is going to show you, what it's like to just cruise around on a bike with throttle only. Like I say, normally I pedal this bike, but other bikes that I own, I throttle only. I don't pedal them at all. But I just wanted to demonstrate on this particular bike, because it's a class 3 bike that's normally you would pedal it probably, but doesn't mean you have to. But I just wanted to show what it's like to throttle only. And I do have it pinned right now, the throttle, in pedal assist 3. There's 5 levels, but I'm just going to go with number 3 because that'll get us right around the 20 miles per hour. So basically this is a perfectly legal ride. The only thing that's weird would be the crazy laws that I just did a video on recently, where you can have a class 3 bike but it can't have a throttle. And we won't get into that this time around, because I think that's absolutely nonsense, silly, crazy, and all those good things. Is this guy gonna go? So this is what it's like. It's fun to ride a bike, e-bike, regardless how you ride it. As long as you're riding sensibly, not breaking any laws. Look, we're going under the 25 mile per hour speed limit. We're in the bike lane. As long as there is a bike lane, I'm going to go in it on this ride. Most of this ride is going to have bike lane. But I should dedicate this video to all the Karens out there who do not like e-bikes. Well, here you go. Here's an e-bike, and not only is it an e-bike, I'm throttling it only. So take that. So let me know in the comments your thoughts on throttling an e-bike. I'm sure there's times that we've all just throttled an e-bike before. And I've said this in previous videos, and I'm going to say it again. I would highly, highly recommend getting a bike with a throttle on it, just to have that option if you, should you need it. Because why not have it if there's an opportunity to have one, as compared to not having? I'm going to go up an assist level or 2 here to get up this hill. I'm not going to pedal, I'm going to let the bike get up the hill. It's a pretty steep hill there, but it made it. Put it back to pedal assist 3. But yeah, I would highly recommend, even if you don't use the throttle very often, it is good to get out of situations. Be it an intersection, you know, there's lots of congestion going on. That's the most dangerous spot for an e-bike, is an intersection. You want to get in and out of there ASAP, keep up with traffic, and just move on out, especially on the busier intersections. There's some people that would tell you that riding right where I am right now in the bike lane can be one of the most dangerous, and it's true. It can be. There's people that just won't do it. They're too afraid to even ride in the bike lane. And I can understand that. It takes a little getting used to, but I've had times where large trucks will come along and they have the wide mirrors, and it looks like the mirrors are almost going to hit you. They're sticking out so much, you know. And some of the bike lanes are a little narrower than others, seems to me. This one here is of the narrower variety. This doesn't even look like it's 3 feet wide if you don't count the curb there, the gutter part. There's no way it's not even 3 feet. If you count that, then yeah, it's more than 3, probably 3.5. It might be 2.5 feet. 30 inches. There's so many haters of e-bikes out there, it's incredible. I can't believe it. It seems to me like you're either a love them or hate them. There's no middle ground, you know. There's nobody that says, well, I'm okay both ways. It seems like you're either a big fan or you just despise them. And there's some people out there, let's face it, they despise anything on 2 wheels, or 3 if it's a trike. They just don't want to share the road. They don't want anything to do with it. And I'm talking more than just bicycles and e-bikes. I'm talking motorcycles as well. So this ride is dedicated to all the guys and gals that like to throttle. I'm not going ridiculous speeds, although coasting down that hill I was there, right there, but generally this is less than 20 miles per hour or within 20 miles per hour, so it's not a race or anything. I just want to point out and show what it's like to actually cruise around on an e-bike, just coasting basically. I think whatever way you want to get out and enjoy your bike, e-bike, go for it. I think just the fact of getting people outdoors and not on their couches is a good thing. I would almost guarantee, there might be very few that don't do this, but I would almost guarantee that if you get onto an e-bike and try it, you're going to absolutely love it and want to get one if you don't have one already. I would pretty much guarantee that. So it's a little bit cool and dark out here, or cloudy, overcast. We're supposed to possibly get more rain here. We had some earlier in the early morning hours. Here we are midday, just about, like right in the middle of the day here, around 1 o'clock. I'm recording this video in the afternoon, and here we are with temperatures only in the mid-60s. It's crazy. We should be in the at least in the mid or low to mid 80s this time of year. We're almost right now almost 20 degrees below normal. Insane. But then next week we've got some 100-degree weather coming, so I guess that's the way Mother Nature works. So we're still going along here, pedal assist 3. I've got the throttle fully pinned right now. And you can probably get a good look at that speed there. We're at around 19 miles an hour. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about throttles on an e-bike. Is it a must? to have a throttle on an e-bike like I think, even if you don't think you're going to ever use it, I still would want one for that one time that you may wish you had it. Maybe you are out 5 miles away from home and you get a cramp in your leg, you know, or something like that could come up. You never know. I always like to have that choice. If I need to use the throttle, it's there. And I specifically have some bikes, a couple of bikes, that are, I call them my throttle bikes. I do not pedal them at all, so. And then this bike is one of my pedal bikes, so. So don't let people tell you not to throttle your bike, or you shouldn't be throttling your bike, or you're cheating, or whatever. I say you ride your bike the way you want it, and I'll ride mine how I want. And don't judge people like that. Whatever way you enjoy your bike, you enjoy it. Just don't do crazy things on your bike, you know. Be respectful of others wherever you're riding, and I think we're good to go. I've enjoyed this throttle only bike or ride. Like I say, it's weird riding this bike, the Hunter 2.0, and not throttling it, because I'm so used to, or not pedaling it, I should say. I'm so used to pedaling it, other than on stop to start like that, or getting out of intersections, you know. Now, I don't know for sure, but I bet you that man was admiring my bike, because he's got a standard traditional bike and it looks like he's working hard. He's probably saying, I want that guy's bike. It looks pretty cool. It looks like it's going pretty fast. He's not working too hard. All right. Coming up to a stop sign, and here's what I do. See, no breaking the law. I'm stopping right at the line down here. All good. And off we go. All right. So that's going to do it for this video, giving you a little demonstration of what it's like to ride a bike. This is a class 3 bike in throttle only, and I kept it to pedal assist level 3 for throttling only, so that it would stay under the 20 miles per hour. So a perfectly legal ride right there, and that's how it works. So if you are contemplating an e-bike and don't know if you can just pedal all the time, and you want to have the option to throttle, that's what it's like to throttle an e-bike at around 20 miles per hour maximum. So there you go. Thank you very much, King Bull Hunter 2.0, for taking us on that little ride. I enjoyed it. Hope you did out there as well. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, thank you very much. Just hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell. And if you want to leave a comment on this video or any others that you've seen on the channel, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And once again, thank you for joining me on this video. And until next time, be safe everyone, and keep your wheels on the road. See you later.